Welcome to the historically accurate cartoon princess dances. Today we are doing the ultimate Disney Indian princess groundhog line dance tutorial with history at the end, and at the very end we have a surprise for you. So take an adventure, a dance adventure with the ultimate Disney Indian princess groundhog line dance. Remember to like and subscribe and check out all our fun films at www.adventuresindance.com. So come along with me as we learn an adaptation of the traditional Indian groundhog dance. Let's get started. Step 1, 8 steps forward, digging in the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 2, turning in a figure 8 right and left, scooping up dirt and sending it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you put it all together, it looks like this. Groundhog Day is celebrated on the 2nd of February yearly. This tradition has movies and music for it, but no line dance. I took pieces of the Cherokee Indian groundhog dance and created a seasonal line dance with this ultimate Disney Indian princess groundhog line dance tutorial. So how did we come to determine spring based on a large ground squirrel? These marmot-like creatures come from Imbolc, the Celtic holiday marking the beginning of spring between winter solstice and spring equinox. A newspaper editor in Pocahontas, Pennsylvania, pitched this German tradition of checking a badger's shadow to determine the start of spring to the Pocahontas Groundhog Club in 1887. They agreed to check the groundhog's shadow on the 2nd of February, and it has been a national event ever since, inspiring movies and music. Native Americans also have their groundhog traditions. James Mooney penned one of the Apache fables of how the groundhog tricked a pack of wolves out of eating him by doing a dance. This is said to be the inspiration for the Apache traditional groundhog dance. This dance demonstrates how Apache couples work together to build a home. For this demonstration, I used 2 cartoon Indian princesses, Tiger Lily and Pocahontas. Most Indian tribes do not have princesses. However, there are a few exceptions of tribes in the Pacific Northwest that had royalty and Indian princesses. Ironically, both princesses were motherless. Tiger Lily was inspired by the penny dreadful publications that the Peter Pan author Bar liked to read. She is the strong daughter of the chief with respect from her tribe. She has special responsibilities and could stay with the chief for a special dance in the movie Peter Pan. In Tiger Lily's dance to What It Makes the Red Man Red, later rewritten to What Makes a Brave Girl Brave, was based on the traditional Indian moon dance. Pocahontas is the daughter of Chief Powhatan of the Mattapony tribe in Virginia. Her Indian name was Matoka, which means flower between 2 streams. When in Europe, a dancing master composed an English country dance called the Indian Princess in her honor. These strong women are the inspiration for this groundhog dance today. Remember to like and subscribe and check out all our fun films at www.adventuresindance.com.